Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the series where I'm taking my Hobby Plus CR18P EVO rock van to the next level. Go watch my previous videos where I unboxed this rig and tested it out on the trail. In this video, we're finally starting the upgrade journey, and I'm really excited to get into it. Today we're looking at the drive shafts. We'll be upgrading the stock plastic ones with these Hobby Plus metal ones, and to do the job, we're going to need a P00 and a P000 Phillips screwdriver. We'll start by detaching the body completely to get a clear view. Now that the body is off, we can remove the shafts by unscrewing the 4 small Phillips screws. I suggest leaving the car in neutral before starting this procedure so you can rotate the shafts freely as needed to reach those screws. Looking at the new Hobby Plus drive shafts, the quality seems really good. One thing to note is that the yokes are O-shaped, which is different from the D-shaped stock ones, but it's probably not a big deal. The stock plastic shafts weigh only 5 grams. It looks like the upgraded ones add 13 extra grams to the total weight. Size-wise, they look pretty much the same as the originals. For maintenance, I do not recommend using any type of grease or wet lube for external parts because it attracts dirt. So I'm just using a tiny bit of dry lube here. These drive shafts were actually the only plastic part left in the drivetrain between the motor and the wheels, since the motor, gearbox, and portal gears are already metal. That means the plastic shafts were acting as a fuse, the first part to give up under pressure. By switching to metal, we're removing that fuse, so be aware that any massive stress might now be redirected to other parts of the system. Installing the new shafts requires some patience and a few retries, but it's pretty straightforward. Just make sure the orientation matches the initial one. I also oriented both ends of the shafts so that the screw heads are aligned on the same side. I don't expect a huge change in ride quality, as we're mostly just making the drivetrain stronger and more reliable, but I did notice a slight reduction in the slop, which is a great bonus. That's it for today. Thanks for sticking by, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the next episode where I'll be taking care of the shocks. See you next time.